What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to jump into a problem that probably almost every beginner faces, and this is what tools to buy when you're starting out. So I know I have had this problem when I was starting out. I didn't know what tools to buy. I didn't know what tool is good, what tool is bad, what does each individual tool do, where do I use these tools? And it's just overwhelming at the start, right? This is the reason why I got together with A1 and we created a perfect beginner set. Now let's jump on their website and start looking at the sets and explaining. So if we go to A1 and you go shop by brand and you click here on Jean Viditz, what you will see is all the tools here that me and A1 make together. But what I want to focus today on is solving a problem for beginners, and this is these basically 2 or 3 sets, how you can call it. What we have here is the complete beginner set. When I was making this, I was thinking, okay, for someone who is just starting PDR and wants to learn, basically even see if that's for him, this is the bare minimum one needs. So you can see if we enlarge this, there is a double bend in the set. You have the knockdown pedal. You have different tips for knockdown, or you can use them on the knockdown pedal as a blending hammer. And you can use also these tips on this double bend here, so you can try different tips and try different pushing, right? In the set, you also get an S-hook to create leverage while pushing, and you get 4 ratchet straps, so you can strap the hood down or doors, whatever your practice panel is. And you also have a whale tail and left and right brace tools, so you can also practice under braces. Now this set doesn't include the light and it doesn't include the hood stand because that's down to personal preferences. Some people already have some lights, some people want different lights than others. The budget also matters a lot here. So we didn't add a light here and we didn't add a hood stand because if you're just starting, again, budget, you can improvise, you can build something together to hold your hood, or you already have a hood stand or something else. But this set that you see here will give you everything you need to start practicing PDR on a practice panel. So you can start learning how to look at the reflection, you can start learning how to find the tip of your tool, you can start doing small, medium, even maybe bigger dents with this, and you can also work under braces because we have a whale tail and a brace tool. When creating this set, my thought process was put as minimum as you can, but what you need in a set that brings the cost down, and you are not buying some tools that you don't need because you don't even know if you need them, right? So you're buying exactly what you need to start learning and figure out if PDR is actually for you. Now this set can be bought just as a set or also with online beginner training, and you save some money if you take it with the training. If we move back, the second set we have is the intermediate set. Now, this set, let's enlarge it, this set is basically an upgrade from the beginner set. So when you're learning, when you're going through the process, if you have that set, like I said, it has everything you need to practice. You can push, you can knock down, and you can push under a brace. Now this set, the second set, the intermediate, is basically an upgrade. This first set that we found, the beginner one, is everything you need to learn, to practice, and everything you will need later on to repair. Now jumping into the intermediate set is just a bigger upgrade that basically allows you to tackle the rest of the car. Now you can move on the car and start practicing on the car, continue your practice. You have all my door tools, you have the interchangeable, the BB tip and the sharp. You have more left and right brace tools. You have this Danny Espinal tool here, which is perfect for the braces on top of the doors. You have all the accessories you need. You have more whale tails here. You have 2 more double bends. So as you can see, this set is an upgrade step from the beginner one. The thought process behind this is you start learning with the beginner set, low price of entry, and you figure out if this works for you or not. If it does, great, and you want to take a step forward, the intermediate just upgrades. And if you want all the tools together at once, you can take the complete toolkit. Is basically beginner and intermediate set combined, but it saves you some money. Again, it's missing a light because what we said before, and it's also missing glue pulling stuff. Why? Because there's so many options to go with glue pulling. Again, different slide hammers. We didn't want to limit you here with glue pulling stuff. So if you're interested, go on A1 website. I will leave the link down in the description and check out these tool sets. As you know, A1 has great quality tools, and I'm sure these sets will not disappoint. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.